In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up single sign-on for Salesforce using Saml Authentication. This is a straightforward process that we'll walk through together step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have successfully configured your Salesforce environment to support SSO login. To kick things off, you'll first need to log into your Salesforce account. This is your starting point for accessing the necessary setup options and making the changes required for SSO configuration. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to the setup area. You can find this by clicking the gear icon located at the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. Clicking on this will open a menu, giving you access to all the administrative tools you need. Now, in the quick find box on the left, type in Identity Provider. This will bring up options related to identity provider settings. You'll need to enable this feature as it's a crucial part of setting up single sign-on capabilities within Salesforce. Once enabled, the next step is to download the Salesforce certificate. This certificate is essential because it establishes a secure connection between Salesforce and your identity provider, ensuring that credentials are authenticated safely. Moving forward, go back to the quick find box and type in Single Sign-On Settings. From there, click on New to start setting up a new SSO configuration. You'll be presented with different options, and here you'll choose SAML, which stands for Security Assertion Markup Language. After selecting SAML, you'll need to enter a profile name. This can be anything descriptive that helps you identify this configuration. Once you've named your SAML configuration, it's time to upload the certificate you downloaded earlier. This step is vital as it validates the connection between services. After the certificate is uploaded, you'll proceed to enter the SAML identity provider information. This includes specifics like the issuer, entity ID, and login URL. These fields are necessary for linking your Salesforce with the correct identity provider, ensuring the right flow of authentication data. Next, you'll need to set the SAML identity type. You have the option to choose between using a username or a federation ID. This choice depends on how you prefer to manage user identities within your organization. After specifying the identity type, you'll be ready to save all the configurations made so far. Upon saving, you'll want to test your setup to ensure everything is functioning correctly. There's an option to test the SSO configuration right there within Salesforce. Clicking Test will initiate a simulated login process, allowing you to confirm that the single sign-on works as expected, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up SSO for Salesforce using SAML authentication. This setup simplifies the login process for users, enhancing both security and convenience in accessing your Salesforce environment. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more resources to make the most of your Salesforce capabilities.